Thank you, Nick. I'm really pleased to be here today. You know, ensuring public safety is the primary role of county government. And to that end, back in 2008, Sheriff Bill Gore, District Attorney Bonnie Dumanis, and former Supervisor Pam Slater-Price set up the Prescription Drug Abuse Task Force. It's been 5 years since then, and I've taken Supervisor Pam Slater-Price's seat on the County Board of Supervisors, and I took on this issue personally with her, working with our sheriff and our DA to make sure it receives top priority. Now, the goal of the Prescription Drug Task Force is to reduce access and increase awareness through policy, education, health, and enforcement. And it's so nice seeing some folks here from my district. We have folks from the San Diego Alliance for Drug-Free Youth. We have folks here from Escondido and other parts of my district who are passionate about trying to get the education and awareness out there. It's really very troubling to know so many young people and adults are abusing prescription drugs. According to the U.S. Office of National Drug Control Policy, every day 2,500 American youth ages 12 to 17 abuse prescription drugs for the first time. And if you look at the report card, in 2011, 19.6% of San Diego County 11th graders reported using prescription drugs for non-medical reasons in their lifetime. That's according to the most recent California Healthy Kids survey. The misuse and abuse of prescription drugs is having serious consequences. In 2011, the most recent data available, 3,278 people ended up in our local emergency rooms because of painkillers. That was a 61% increase from 2008, when 2,040 people were released from emergency rooms due to pain medication abuse. The problem is that prescription drugs are too easy to get. They're readily available in medicine cabinets and in homes across the states. My oldest son, who just turned 18, is here with us also today. And I asked him, was this a problem that he saw at middle schools and at high schools? And he said, yeah, it was a problem there too. So at schools throughout our county, this is really a problem. And even addicts they'll falsify doctors' prescriptions to get prescription drugs at local pharmacies. And if they can't get them there, they then try to steal, as you'll soon hear from Sheriff Bill Gore. Now, prescription drug abuse has become a serious problem in our county, and our task force is actively combating this growing issue. And parents are our first line of defense against teens using prescription drugs and all drugs, and that's why I'm so thrilled to see so many folks from some of our community groups here. I encourage parents to educate themselves about this troubling issue. Talk to your children about the risk of using prescription drugs. And there are many signs to look for: an unexpected lack of interest in previous passions, a sudden drop in grades, a desire to get away from the family without explained reasons. And we all must clean out our unwanted prescription drugs. Just last weekend, we participated in the Take Back Drug Day, and I know in Rancho Bernardo, I was surprised. Car after car after car drove through the drop-off area there. So we have to be alert. If you suspect drug activity in your community, call your local police or our sheriff's department. You can also report drug activity at 877-662-6384, and all your calls are confidential. Thank you very much.